Hey Christopher, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken to my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. So the three things we're going to be covering are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and that would have to do with a website. I do have your Facebook page pulled up here, and while Facebook is a very powerful tool and people do use it to search for things, the first place they're always going to go is going to be Google. And I didn't see that you had a website listed on here, but if you don't already have one, that would be my first suggestion, would be to absolutely get a website. And when you do, if you don't already have one, you would want to add authoritative content that is rich in keywords and key phrases onto that website. Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on a home page, and that will give you that opportunity to put in those keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. So that is my tip on content, and I do have one of your competitors' websites pulled up here just to kind of show you what I'm talking about. So content can be the words, but also the pictures on the site and what the pictures are saved as. Google would also consider content. So these are the kind of things that you would be looking to do on your own website. But we'll go ahead and move on to the next thing, which is going to be citations. And typically the first thing you'll see when you search for something on Google is a section that will have 3 listings and the picture of a map. So citations have a lot to do with that map pack section. And what a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directory, I mean things like Facebook, which you have, which is great, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, and anywhere else online that allows business owners to add in those business details and services. So you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories and grab those listings for yourself. But you also don't just want to stop there. So for instance, say that your top competitor has 3 directory listings. You would want to get those 3, and then you would want to double or even triple those. So you would want to add 6, 9, and go from there. That's going to help you to completely dominate them in that space, but it will also help you to rank in that map pack. So now that we've covered the content and the citations, we'll move right along to backlinks. And backlinks has a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your website, which is pushing power to your site, but also driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, say that you did some headlight restoration for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one to yours. But as you probably gathered, that link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful. You would want to get links from other headlight restoration companies or any other sort of company that's in your industry that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that, number 1, that is the correct industry for you, and number 2, that you are trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique, but it will also be more powerful because it is relevant to your industry. So I did pull up one of the tools that I use here just to kind of give you a visual representation of what we're speaking about. And this is that website that we looked at before. So it's showing they have 15 referring domains, which is giving them 69 backlinks, getting them found for 451 keywords, and pushing about 110 people to their site per month. And let's see if we can take a look at some of the keywords they're using here. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords, which is anything that someone's going to think to type into that search bar when they're looking for your service. Let's see. So they're ranking for their business name, which is not surprising. Here's a great one: Auto Repair, Ocean Springs, Mississippi. So that is the industry and also the location that's trying to be targeted. That is a fantastic keyword or key phrase to use. And we're also looking at this section here, this volume section. This number represents how many times this word or phrase is being searched for monthly. And I won't bore you and go through all of these, but that kind of gives you an idea of the types of things you would want to integrate into your content if and when you do decide to get a website. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And you want to continue to build on that, like I said. So you want to grab whatever your competition has, but then you want to be out there going above and beyond. That is going to make it to where you rank on that first page of Google, but also your competition is going to have a really difficult time even keeping up with you at that point. So that's really all that I have for you today. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help to grow your business via your online presence, please do reach out to us because we would love to talk to you about that. But thank you again for your time. You have a great rest of your day.